So I'm going to go to the next step of the sauce, and that is adding that full cup of whipping cream. Now, I caution you to make sure you follow the recipe. Don't chintz out and go with like Cremo at 10% milk fat, or coffee cream at 18% milk fat, or, homogenized milk at 3.5% milk fat. All those are going to split, especially when you're dealing with boiling acid. That's boiling tomatoes, boiling tomato paste, boiling wine. You need the full fat content, 33 to 35% milk fat. Otherwise, it's going to split. It's going to separate, and you're going to have little these cottage cheese bits floating in your pasta. It's not going to look very good. So don't do it. You have to go full fat, okay? And we're going to pour it in there and watch this transformation of this sauce by adding all that richness in there. Look at this. I'm going to stir it and just watch this. It becomes so amazing. And anybody, I don't care what age your kids are, I don't care how fussy they are going to love this dish. Look at this. Wow, it is amazing.